At Cardinal Health 3PL Services, we value accuracy and efficiency. One of the places this is most important is in the pick-pack process. I'd like to show you how our warehouse team makes sure your customer orders are prepared with care and attention to detail. Today, we operate 12 processing lanes with about 70 people. Our pick-pack teams are organized in what we refer to as a quad, groups of 4 processing lines consisting of a supervisor, a lead, and about 18 to 20 warehouse associates. As we continue to grow, it's important that we serve your business appropriately and support the management, mentoring, and career growth of our own team members. Working with these smaller teams ensures that we are achieving these goals. We receive hundreds of thousands of customer orders annually via EDI, fax, and online, which flow seamlessly from our customer service system into our warehouse management system. Pick tickets have all the instructions for fulfilling an order, the service level, the customer it's going to, and even the recommended box size. Orders are prioritized in our mail slotting system and give our associates an understanding and workflow for the day. This system ensures customer needs are met with the greatest efficiency. Another way we create efficiencies in our operation is the visibility to workflows and assignments. Our Leader Standard of Work board gives every employee all the information they need to know when they arrive for their shift, where their supervisor will be for the day, where their lead will be for the day, and what they will be responsible for. The team can also track their KPIs and quality priorities using the details on the Operational Excellence board. Just like if you were here in person, let's take a look at how our team takes an order and picks it from our racks. As our associate pulls a pick ticket, they can scan a barcode that is unique to that order and receive a series of commands they need to follow for the optimal pick. We operate on a FIFO system, or first expired, first out. This helps reduce potential short dating on your inventory. As our associate arrives to the assigned pick location, they will scan the rack as well as the product. If either the pick location or the lot number doesn't match their pick ticket, a red alert appears on their scanner, stopping the transaction. A white alert shows that everything is okay and they can either proceed to the next pick location or send the box down the conveyor belt for the QC process to begin. At our QC station, our coordinator scans the pick ticket to pull up the details they need to verify for their screen, including a description of the item, the lot number, the quantity, and the unit of measure. As part of our comprehensive system of checks and balances, if there's any mismatch in the pick, an exception sheet will print and a leader supervisor will have to resolve the issue. Any mismatch caused by miskeying at the QC station can be resolved by the coordinator signing the exception form. We perform daily cycle counts on all active pick locations at the end of each day, with the same system checks that we use in picking and packing. Typically, this is done before our carriers leave. However, some high volume days we prioritize your customer orders and complete our accounts prior to the next day's start of business. It's another way Cardinal Health 3PL Services has created a strong track record of inventory and order accuracy in our pick-pack operation. And it's just one part of how we look forward to serving your business.